Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use your Gmail filters. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply opening gmail.com. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account that you want to go ahead and use filters from. So all you need to do is just click on this icon right over here beside the search. So once you do that, it's going to show you something like this. Now there are a couple of things that you can search with. So you can search who the email is from, you can search who it was to, you can search subjects, you can also search has the words XYZ, you can also search it doesn't have this, and then there are also sizes and MBs you can select, within how many days, and many more. So for example, if I just go ahead and search a mail from YouTube and just click on search, as you can see, it is gonna simply go ahead and search it. So because the date was not correct, it didn't find it. So let me just go ahead and search one more time by just writing YouTube and searching it, and it should go ahead and pop up right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.